Good day mga kamatics! Welcome to my YouTube channel. Our topic for today is about multiplication of integers. So, this is the rule. So, parenthesis, close parenthesis, open parenthesis and close parenthesis of 2 and parenthesis, open parenthesis and close parenthesis of 4. So, dito, from the multiplication rule, so kung wala kayong nakikitang sign, pero meron naman parenthesis, understandable na yan na i-times nyo yan sa dalawa. So, ibig sabihin yan is 2 times 4 is equal to 8. Diba? Next, for the, kung makita mo naman dito, may symbol, 2 times 4, multiplication symbol yan. Yan, parenthesis yan. Meron talagang types ng mga types ng operation or kailangan lang ng symbol, malalaman na natin kung ano ang ibig sabihin. Next. 2 dot. So, 2 dot for, pag makakita kayo ng dot na ganyan, ibig sabihin yan is times yan. Or you need to multiply. Ha? Dot operator or bullet operator, which is this symbol. So, 2 times 4 yan. Kuha nyo ba? Hindi yan 2.4 ha? Dahil lang, pag magsabi tayo ng point, 2.4, nandito yung point, hindi yan dito sa gitna. Kuha nyo ba? Okay. See. So, we have a rule of multiplication. Same signs is equal to positive. Positive plus positive, same sign is equal to positive. Negative times negative, same sign is equal to positive. Kuha nyo na ba? Meron din itong divide, pero multiplication muna ang turo natin ngayon. So, dito muna tayo focus. Different signs is equal to negative. Kahit anong different sign. Wala dito. Positive times negative is negative talaga yan. Kasi, multiplication tayo. Negative times positive is equal to negative pa rin yan. Pag different signs sila, negative yan. Kahit ano pa yan, negative 3 times positive times 3, negative 3 times 3 is equal to negative 9. Dahil iba yung sign nila. Pero kung pareho talaga sila, parang negative times negative is positive. Same sign sila. So negative 3 times negative 3 is equal to positive 9 or 9. Same sign. 3 times 3 is equal to 3. Okay. Is yun na ba ang rule? Hindi ba complicated yung explanation ko? Okay, let's proceed. Example. So, turo ko kanina, wala namang nakalagay dito na i-times mo, pero meron namang parenthesis, which is understandable na i-times mo na yan. 2, which is 2 times 4 is equal to 8. Positive, positive is equal to positive. Next. Negative 3 times 5. Ang definition, negative, positive. So, ang sign nila is negative. Negative 50. 3 times 5, 50. The sign is negative 15. Next. 8 times negative 7 is equal to negative 56. Then, iba-iba yung sign nila. 1 ba? Next. Negative 9 times negative 5 is equal to same signs. Okay, 45 or positive 45 dahil same sign sila. Dahil multiplication naman ito. Next, negative 3 times negative 7 and times 2. So, kung makita natin dito, add number lang. Isa lang yung na-add, which is 1. So, negative times 3 times negative 7 is equal to negative 21 times 2 is equal to negative 42. So, add number. So diba, alam niyo naman natin yung add number. 1, 3, 5, ganun. Tapos yung even, yun naman yung 2, 4, 6, diba? Makikita na naturo na yan sa inyo simula pa nung elementary. Next. So, negative 3 times negative 4 times negative 1 times negative 2. So, ilan yung negative? So, tatlo. 1, 2, 3. Which is, odd number pa rin. So, ang sign niya pag odd number is always negative. Always negative. So, strike. Negative 3 times negative 4. 12 times 1. 12. 12 times negative 2 is equal to negative 24. Okay. Diba? Okay lang ba? Next, number 7. So, ilan yung negative sign dito? 1, 2. So, even number. Even number is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Ito lang yan. So, now, pag even number naman, ang answer niyan is always positive. Dahil dalawa or the even number. Dahil dalawa yung negative dito. So, negative 3 times 5 is negative 15. Negative 15 times negative 1 is equal to positive 15 times 15. Positive 15 times 2 is equal to 30. So, the even number. Pag even number yung negative sign dito, always positive. Pero kung odd number naman, is always negative. Nakuha nyo na ba? Di ba? Madali lang bang matutunan? Okay, matutunan na kayo. Please like and subscribe and visit my YouTube channel.